Automation is essential for meeting the growing demand for cell therapies because it reduces process variability and it can lower the risk of human error. It also enables parallel processing of patient specific batches, which is hugely important in the autologous setting. This ultimately has the potential to shorten turnaround times, improve consistency, and reduce costs over time. All this is really critical in scaling cell therapies both efficiently and safely. Fresenius Kabi chose to collaborate with Cellular Origins because Cellular Origins has this unique technology, this unique platform with their constellation system, which is designed to enable scalable, closed, and digitally integrated cell and gene therapy manufacturing. And this is advantageous for cell therapy developers specifically because they can integrate their existing modular cell processing systems into the constellation system, which can shorten their process development timelines and help them to scale quickly. Industrialization brings a couple things. It brings standardization, automation, and scalability to cell therapy manufacturing. What that means for developers is that it can help to reduce costs, it can improve the quality, and it can accelerate their production timelines. For patients, this means faster access to therapies, greater availability for these therapies, and ultimately more consistent and reliable treatment outcomes for them.